Barangay Valenciano is Rochelle Charmaine June Sinfuego, a 23-year-old stunner. She believes in the saying, if others can, why can't I? Rochelle wants to become a flight attendant someday.
Good evening, Banna! Rochelle Sinfuego, 23, representing Valenciano.
That's Rochelle Charmaine June Sinfuego, SK Chairperson, Honorable Frida Renzel Simon. Next up is from Barangay Hilario. Barangay Hilario is an 18-year-old stunner. She believes that it's not about perfect, it's about effort. The candidate of Barangay Hilario is currently taking up AB English at Mariano Marcos State University of Bataan.
Aliyah 18, Hilario!
That's Alea Peralpada, SK Chairperson, Siren Patrick Damas. Once again, let's give a hand to Barangay Hilario. Next up is from Barangay Lorenzo. Barangay Lorenzo is an 18-year-old stunner, and she believes the strongest actions for a woman is to love herself, be herself, and shine amongst those who never believed she could. The candidate of Barangay Lorenzo wants to become a flight attendant someday.
Harleen 18, Lorenzo.
That's Harleen Wendy Guillermo, SK Chairperson, Justin Versosa. Another round of applause for Barangay Lorenzo. Next up is from Barangay Marcos. Barangay Marcos is a 19-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, find ways to step out of your comfort zone. Focus on excitement rather than fear. The candidate of Barangay Marcos wants to become a professional teacher someday.
Christine Joy 19, Marcos.
That's Kristen Joy Cavalera, SK Chairperson, Jade Ashley Munya. Another round of applause for Barangay Marcos. Next up is from Barangay Nagpatayan. Barangay Nagpatayan is a 20-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, beauty is not in the face, beauty is alive in the heart. The candidate of Barangay Nagpatayan wants to become a chef someday.
I am Crystal Gawat Victoriano, 20, from Nagpatayan.
That's Crystal Victoriano, SK Chairperson, Josephine Rose Bala. Another warm of applause for Barangay Nagpatayan. Next up is from Barangay Bangsal. The candidate of Barangay Bangsar is an 18-year-old stunner, and she believes that dreams don't work unless you do it. The stunner of Barangay Bangsar wants to become a flight attendant someday.
Trisha, 18, Bangsar.
That's Trisha May Cabarubias, SK Chairperson, John Mark Hiawi. A big round of applause for Barangay Bangsar. Next up is from Barangay Imelda. The candidate of Barangay Imelda is a 20-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, elegance is the only beauty that never fades. The candidate of Barangay Imelda wants to become a chef someday.
Hence, 20, Imelda.
That's hence Jamaica Matias, SK Chairperson, KC Lucas. Another round of applause for Barangay Imelda. Next up is Barangay Bulitong. Barangay Bumitog is a 21-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself. The candidate of Barangay Bumitog is currently a machine inspector in Laguna. Kylie Banado, SK Chairperson, Clarence John Pombi. Another round of applause for Barangay Bumitog, ladies and gentlemen. Next up is Barangay Binakad. Barangay Binakad is a 21-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, strive for beauty that can be felt, not just seen. The candidate of Barangay Binakad is currently taking up BS Nursing in Mariano Marcos State University.
Laikan 21, Binakab.
Let's select Mayor Aurelio as the chairperson, Harvey J. Manuel. Another round of applause for Barangay Binakab. Next up is Barangay Makayapyat. The candidate of Barangay Makayapyat is an 8-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, be nice to people on your way up, because you will meet them if you go down. The candidate of Barangay Makayapyat wants to become a future registered nurse.
Niña Angelica Palma, 18, Makayapyat.
That's Nina Angelica Palma, SK Chairperson, Wilson Aluwag Jr. Another round of applause for Barangay Makayapyat. Next up is Barangay Katagtagen. The candidate of Barangay Katagtagen is a 21-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, if life were predictable, it would cease to be life and be without flavor. This young stunner is currently taking up Bachelor in Early Childhood Education at Mariano Marcos State University College of Teacher Education. And also, she works as a service crew at McDonald's Loa.
Demi 21, Imnas Katagtagen.
That's Demi Aguidan, SK Chairperson, Honorable Jason Costco. Another round of applause for Barangay Katagtagen. Next up is Barangay Baliweg. The candidate of Barangay Baliweg is a 19-year-old stunner, and she believes that whatever you do it for the glory of God. The candidate of Barangay Baliweg aspires to be the first registered medical technologist in her family.
Princess J.
Pansalan, SK Chairperson, Mark Justin Sinense. A warm applause for Barangay Baliwe. Next up is Barangay Kaestabanan. Barangay Kaestabanan is a 16-year-old stunner. She believes in the saying, books before boys because boys bring babies. The candidate of Barangay Kaestabanan wants to become a businesswoman.
Roxanne 16, Kaestebanan.
That's Roxanne May Aganos. Asking Chairperson May Joy Makuli. A round of applause for Barangay Kaestabanan. Next up is Barangay Sinamar. The candidate of Barangay Sinamar is a 19-year-old stunner. And she believes in the saying, do my best and be an inspiration to others. Miss Sinamar wants to become a professional teacher someday.
Shekina 19, representing Sinamar.
That's Shekina May Salvador, SK Chairperson, Mark Justin Asuncion. Another round of applause for Barangay Sinamar. Next up is Barangay Valdez. The candidate of Barangay Valdez is a 20-year-old stunner. She believes in the saying, believe in yourself, believe that you will and you can. Miss Valdez is currently taking up BS in Criminology at Data Center College of Law.
Charlene Laika 20, representing Barangay Valdez.
That's Charlene Laika Aguilar, SK Chairperson, Laika de los Reyes. Another round of applause for Barangay Valdez. Next up is Barangay Bugasi. Miss Bugasi is a 23-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, whatever happens, happens. Miss Bugasi wants to become the Chief Executive Officer someday.
Good evening, everyone. This is Hazelan Pashon, 23, representing Bugasi.
That's Hazel Pashon, SK Chairperson, Melanie Eugenio. Another round of applause for Barangay Bugasi. Next. Barangay Tabtabagan is a 19-year-old stunner. And she believes in the saying, all big things come from all beginnings. Miss Tabtabagan wants to become a flight attendant someday.
Jayanara, 19, representing Tabtabagan.
That's Jayanara Kari May Marcos of Tabtabagan. SK Chairperson, Princess Ayla Miguel. Another big round of applause for Barangay Tabtabagan. Next up is Barangay Karibkib. Barangay Karibkib is an 18-year-old stunner. And she believes in the saying, some days you can save them all. Miss Karibkib is currently taking up BS in nursing in Mariano Marcos State University.
Flore Kaido, 18, Karibkib.
That's Yumeyesha Flore Kaido of Karibkib. SK Chairperson, Jerome Avaro. Another round of applause for Barangay Karibkib. Next up is Barangay Barbarangay. Miss Barbarangay is a 17-year-old stunner, and she believes in the saying, train your mind to see the good in every situation. Miss Barbarangay wants to become an engineer someday.
Angelica May, 17, representing Barbarangay.
That's Angelica May Ibuyat of Barangay Barbarangay. SK Chairperson, Jonel Ibuyat. Once again, that's Miss Barbarangay. Next up is Barangay Crispina. Miss Crispina is a 17-year-old stunner. And she believes in the saying, don't let anyone dull your sparkle.
Julian, 17, Crispina.
That's Julian Faye Pascual of Barangay Crispina. SK Chairperson, Ivy Jane Espiritu. Another round of applause for Barangay Crispina. our 20 lovely candidates for this year's edition of Imnas, Banna. Let's give them a round of applause, please.
Again, I am Floricano from Caribbean, and I am inviting to all of you to please come and watch the Miss Imnas Banna 2023 pageant night on March 19, and of course, the most awaited one, the Miss Banna 2023 coronation night on March 25. And please come and watch the prestigious event that we have. Thank you.
Our 20 gorgeous candidates for this year's sashing ceremony. Let's give them another round of applause, please.